Good morning everyone. Once again, I am here to share you the situation about the Borongan City Riverfront Park. Actually, this is a very beautiful park and located in the two sides of the river. This is the Loom River. So please continue watching me, my dear friends. Let's go. This is El Caminero of Borongan City. Inviting you to watch my video. My friends, I would I don't like to share any critics in the situation. I'm just sharing you the updates of this beautiful park that seems to be abandoned by the Borongan people. Entering the left side view. In this part, it is shorter, while the other at the right is longer, or at least 50 meters longer from the side here. Okay, this is the entrance of this Borongan City Riverfront Park. We have at the so let's continue exploring this okay, this is, we are facing to the upstream part. So let's try walking ahead. But in the other side of the river, there is also a shorter park over there. You can see. Because people prepare to have their strolling in the Bye-Bye Boulevard, it seems to be abandoned, this park here, the Riverside Park, because more people go to the Bye-Bye Boulevard in the seawall, Borongan seawall. So this is seems to be an abandoned. I would have to say let you remind my friend that I am not to critics anything here. I am just to share the situation about this abandoned park. I say abandoned because people seldom come to this park. So let's continue moving ahead. This is along Borongan Loom River. Approximately, this will have a length of at least not more than a kilometer, my estimate. This is the first time I have to be here because during, I think this was constructed in the year 2016, before the pandemic. Because during night time, the security guard should have to secure and to lock the entrance of these two park, the left side and the right side. The security guard is having the safety mode of the park. The entrance is closed so that people will no longer stay overnight. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Up to this point, I would like to say goodbye and good day. So